This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye Channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 0, Skokona United 1. My brother, how's it?
Good.
Good, man. What's your take on the game today?
Yeah, not a good game, yabona, because it's Liwe, Escotin, first game, first league. Yeah, it's not good for the fans, but mfuna ama fans batshele the first thing ukuthi it's not over, yabona.
Yeah.
And firstly, what coach Audi, whatever one come Wadu. Into ayilungisile this season is two department lay one nengikhala ngayo midfield is 6 ne 8. They've done well. And Utito is no more dropping this season. Mangibheka ama game adlalile waka out. Uyatholakala ema-boxing. Sometimes the problem in the pace. Akana uleka a bit of a pace. You understand? Then Umbule is doing well. Umbule like is star.
Perfect.
I don't lie lapho. Lapho even I was shocked into why coach am keep the second half because lo munye lo ongenile after yena umnandi naye but was lacking ama short long range and Umbule you saw the long range that he had. You understand? Then kune department one khala ngayo the striking force. We don't have a striker. Yes, I heard abantu bayakhuluma. Yes, they saying I aslali we have a final agent, but look at ama 2 chances we had. Kona leya police, kona leya Hotu. Striker nesingekho Radio Pane, he can't stay on his position. I think untwana ushaya experience. You understand? Yamshaya lento leyo, but what I want to say to coach Mele, he needs to figure out kakhulu ku striking force. You understand? Then kuma set piece into Mele stile ngayo. Into I think it can say to from dala into ya manje. Maybe na lesikhathi sabo uMicho. We had problem ngama set piece. So I think into Mele stile ngayo nan. But so far ukhuluma iqiniso I'm happy, but there's only 2 departments I'm not happy with. The striking force ne right back. Ne left back na Hotu I think is comfortable. Akekho umuntu challenger naye. You understand? But yena is a good player. But what I'm trying to say mina kuma Pagani and say let's not lose hope. Let's not doubt the coach. You understand? Because of mina I'm impressed where he fixed immediately. It's just that he needs a final 30 strike. I mean, I just let me give straight strike. And at least ahluleka ngoMakgopa noMabasa, people who were scoring goals last season. Because of yabona manje now it shows Mabasa standing, it shows ukuthi yena ivision yakhe ilaba ithuba nombethuma no Radio Pane and which is bad. And because of Kana Bangen you cannot do that. Especially uMabasa. One. You get my point. Especially uMakgopa what I like ngayo. Yabona especially in midfield here too is strong kanje. He can link nama defend at least yabona makagaya umbule akatholakala he can leak like this bashama long range.
Exactly.
You understand? Because team are gonna give us problems this season, especially the low block. So low block we need to practice to shoot out of range mostly. So we need umuntu Makgopa yes abantu abamthanda, but I saw something a very powerful last season guy. Link up play. It's just that Manje is going to be worse because une proper midfield. You understand? Because of unokubona makalink uyayibamba ibhola, make sure uMakgopa akayilahli ibhola. What I like uyalinka nama defender and ebheka umbule how he does unongena e16 uTito nokuthi adrop makadropa umbule goes forward. So image, that's why I'm saying that image field is good. It defense is good. My defense ngikhala nge-right back ne-left back both for me. Uhoto is too predictable and I feel like it's too comfortable. You understand?
Maybe Van Rooyen zobuya next season.
Van Rooyen. That's why ngithi coach needs to figure out, especially kakhulu ku striking force. Because yes, abantu ngiyawuza bakhala ukuthi final third better. No, but we don't have a strike. Look at ama chance watholile nama cross lawa ngenile. It needed a striker. Because
you managed to force them to at least score their own goals and all that.
You understand? Because of ukubonisa ukuthi akusana strike. Even last game ngayibhekelela there was where bashaya ama cross nganani yabona uRadio Pane akatholakali lapho uyasidlulela wenza kanje. That's why ngithi we need coach nje. It's a simple thing message kuye. You are right coach, we support you. Alright, yekela ama criticism, people yes are gonna criticize you today, but don't give up. You have a squad. It's just that when I just fix a striker, Choli striker is clinical. It's finisher, ne right back. Thank you.
Thank you, brother. Thanks.
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.